Popeyes, homie, and it's like the Boondocks commercial with the chicken, like, the fried chicken. They were like, no more chicken.
7-day Adventist over here, man.
Look at Popeyes is popping. Yeah, about to go get some Popeyes, dog. Dang line long, man. Popeyes. Popeyes. Everybody and their mama. Popeyes. Rob him of his chicken. Rob him. At the Popeyes. Go Facebook Live. Diet Coke. Go eat all those sandwiches to get a Diet Coke. What's wrong with you?
I got a Diet Coke.
It's not gonna do nothing. Alright, ready? Oh, it's like... Alright, Popeyes. Alright, y'all.
We're gonna donate this, right?
Oops, sorry. My bad. The line's still long. That's alright. Y'all stay up. We gotta go this way.
5 hours later.
Gotta go this way. Popeyes. Over here on La Brea. Jefferson. Line. Long line. Got my 18 sandwiches. Yeah. Look at this line. Look at this line. Craziness. Crazy. Woo!
About 4 or 5 hours.
Look at it.
I'm over here discouraging people.
Look at, they gonna be like this. Popeyes, bye. Oh, I got my sandwiches. Got my drink. Oh, good to go.
I'm not getting robbed.
I'm gonna sell it for $10 each. I'm out.
What's the photo? You're supposed to photo the lion be like.
Oh, the moment of truth. I'm about to taste this bag, baby. This looks like the regular one though. But woo!
Wow.
Baby, baby.
Louisiana.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The 2-hour wait was worth. Oh.
Do a meme, be like, when the preacher service is longer than the Louisiana.